Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, we're going to talk about why SMMA is the best business for you to make 2K per week. I just love to talk about SMMA, ladies and gentlemen. It is a phenomenal business. It allowed me to pull in $100,000 my first year. I know a lot of you guys are looking for ways to quit your jobs, to pay your bills off, and SMMA is the perfect business. I would like to say the perfect vehicle for you to accomplish your financial goals and dreams. Okay. And there's various reasons why I think this is the perfect business for beginners alike, for those that are looking for a way to get out of their 9 to 5. You need something where it's not going to require a whole lot. This is the perfect business for you. Okay. Now, the first reason, ladies and gentlemen, is high ticket clients. Okay. The beautiful thing about SMMA, unlike let's say Shopify, Amazon, FBA, or if you're selling ebooks or affiliate, is that you need a lot of those little $20 and $30 to equal one SMMA client. Okay, so if you're pushing an ebook or an affiliate program or affiliate offer, you might be looking at about $20 to $30 commission. Okay, but SMMA, you could have one client. One client can dang near play you anywhere from $1 to $5,000 a month. Okay, that's a lot of income. So you only need basically a few clients and you're making a full-time income. Okay, full-time income. And that's why this is the perfect business, for you to get into to the big money very quickly. Okay, very quickly. All right, so it's high ticket. All right, each client paying you anywhere from $1 to $5,000 a month. Okay, now the thing about SMMA is that once you get a client, they're going to pay you residually every single month. Okay, so if you got, let's say 3 clients, and each client is paying you $1 to $2 to $3 to $5,000 a month, ladies and gentlemen, you're already making just about a six-figure income, and that's enough money for most people to walk away from a 9 to 5 job. Okay, you only need a few clients, ladies and gentlemen, to literally get out of your job, get your bills paid. It's very minimal. Okay, you only need a few clients to hit 2K per week. All right, so let's look at the numbers. This is a beautiful thing. Okay, if you had 2 clients, each paying you $1,000, that's 2K per month. If you had 4 clients at $1,000 each, that's 4K per month. And if you had 8 clients at $1,000, that's $8,000 per month. Okay, so you can see, ladies and gentlemen, for you to get to $2,000 a week is very simple. You only need 8. Even if it took you a month or 3 months or 4 months, it does not matter. You're making big money with just a handful of clients. And I show you guys literally how to get clients by picking up the phone, which is the easy route. Okay, so it's not even difficult for you to get clients. If you guys want to know more about how to get clients using the phone, click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. But nonetheless, ladies and gentlemen, if you look at these numbers, they're absolutely amazing. And that's what allowed me as a new person to come in and to literally generate over $100,000 my first year of doing this. Okay, so it's possible for you guys to make big money, like I said, with a handful of clients. Okay, unlike if you're doing Shopify, you would need to sell a boatload of products to equal just $1,000 to $2,000 client. Now, what if these clients were $2,000 to $3,000, $5,000? You're talking about some significant money. And I just did like the bare minimum of what most clients pay you on a monthly basis. So you're looking at just the minimum. But I could have easily changed these numbers to 2 and made these numbers absolutely amazing. Okay, so this just give you guys some perspective on why you need to be rolling your sleeves up and going to work and generating this type of money in social media marketing. Okay, now another benefit to starting a social media marketing agency, ladies and gentlemen, is a small learning curve. Okay, there's only a few skills you really need to come into social media marketing and start making the big money. You know, one of them has to be your communication skills. Okay, you have to have some diligence. Okay, you have to um, make sure that you're going at this on an ongoing basis. Okay, you have to be diligent. You have to be committed. All right. And you just got to roll your sleeves up and go to work. That's pretty much what you need, because as you continue to do social media marketing, um, calling clients, uh, talking to them about their business and fulfilling the service, ladies and gentlemen, you'll get better at the game. And that's what most people don't understand, is that if you do this enough, you will get very good at it. All right. Now, compared to internet marketing, and some of the other things you have to do, affiliate marketing, you need a big list. You have to have a lot of skills to get good at internet marketing, how to run ads, how to write copy. You need a lot of money to get it started in internet marketing, because you got to buy ads. And there's a lot of things that you have to learn in order to be successful in internet marketing, affiliate marketing, or even Shopify, drop shipping. Okay, you got to know what type of product, how to run Facebook ads, all this stuff you have to learn. But in social media, it's a small learning curve. All you need to do is pick up the phone, make calls, get business owners in front of yourself or in front of a pre-recorded presentation, and you can start making money right away. So it's a small learning curve. Okay, minimum investment. Okay, minimum investment. Like I stated before, all you need is a cell phone, some leads, which are online for free, and you are literally in business. You can have somebody else on one of the outsourcing sites like Fiverr to do all the fulfillment for you, as far as like the ads, the Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. They can do all of that for you. Okay, so it's minimum investment. All right. Some programs, require $1,000. Sometimes you got to have $2,000, $3,000 to start running ads for your internet marketing company. But in social media marketing, like I stated, it's minimum. You may need, a couple $100, or you may have to invest in a course or something like that. But nonetheless, it's minimum investment. Okay, so you can get in it today. Literally pick up the phone, start making calls, getting in front of business owners, letting them know about your agency, come up with a name, and you're locked and loaded and ready to go. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I hope this has been of immense value to you. Um, the market's not going anywhere. We have over 30 to 40 million businesses in the U.S. alone, so the market is huge. You just need to cut you a piece of the pie, pretty much. Go to work. All right. If you guys need help, you want to know more about how to get clients, click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, as well as coaching. If you guys need help and you want somebody to guide you along and help you to build a social media marketing agency, click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for coaching. Um, and if you like this video, comment below. Let me know what you guys thought about this. Thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Maurice Gear. Bye for now.